How's it going, folks? I'm glad that each and every one of you are able to join me today. We are going to be in the Henderson area with a community known as Inspirada. So we are in the south part of the Las Vegas area, definitely in another city south of Vegas called Henderson, even though many people consider it as one area, one Vegas area, that is. But we are in a new home community in which I haven't done a townhome in a while. So this is a treat for many of you. And with this home, it is a smaller home. This area you're gonna notice a lot of areas which it's densely packed. Not all of them are like that though, but something to consider if you're looking for something that is small, easy to take care of, and something that is not too crazy that will break your wallet, especially if you're in a market to look for a new home. And this one, let's see, it's gonna be a 3-bedroom, 2-car garage, and it's just about 1,700 square feet. So let's take a look and see what we have available. Okay, and I want you to get a sense of what a place like this looks like, right? Again, this is going to be 1,700 square feet, so it's not too large of a space, to be quite honest, for a 3-bedroom. But again, it's really nice, intimate, brand new. Of course, things like as far as design, the furnishings, these things are not going to be included, but as the sale of the community starts to advance more and more, these new home models, the model itself, like the one that we're in today, will be available on the market, where you might have to pay a separate transaction for the things like all the furniture and whatnot that you see, right? All the decoration and whatever else that they use to spruce up the area to make it seem like it's a home, or they might be able to include it all into the price of the home if you're looking for that. So it's easy, in that sense, it would be really easy to move into, right? Okay. So, as we look, I want you to take a look around. Okay. A lot of good natural lighting. As you see, the LED lights and pre-wiring always going to be on these model homes, and this is not something that's going to be included into the base home, right? Okay. So this one with the 3 different elevation types, it's going to be starting at about $442,000, right? $442,000. So it's not too bad in terms of other areas, when it comes to new home builds, but this is a townhome, so this is something to keep in mind. Okay, stainless steel refrigerator. You have your countertop. Okay, your dual undermounted sink. I do like the black. That's very nice. So, okay, you have your regular drawers. 4-burner gas stove available. Oven, microwave, as well as backsplash, right? Okay. Pantry area. And then you have a small dining room area in which you could have breakfast with your family. And then also you have an area where you can have your seating available. I'll probably be sitting in this area when I would eat my meals. And of course, you have that ability to be able to, as you cook or prepare food, you can have that ability to look at the rest of the home with quite ease, the TV, and any of the company that you might have along with you in the home, right? You have your half bathroom, beautiful black faucet feature. Okay. Okay, away. Okay. Okay, we have our first bedroom. Okay, so this is a pretty good size. Pretty good size. And this apparently is the master, actually. Okay, so let's take a look. Standing shower. I like the tile. It's very nice. Okay. Water closet. Bathroom. And a nice size walk-in closet. I like the size of this one. It's a pretty good size. Okay. So keep in mind that the incentives for many of the new home buyers, they will change month to month, or who knows when, every few months or whatever it is. Just depends. As the interest rates start to change and dip down, expect those incentives to possibly change as well. Check with your new home builder and see what they have available. Sometimes it can be a rate buy down. Sometimes it could be something in which you can use towards your closing costs. These things keep in mind. So always ask your agent to speak with the sales team at any of the new home builders that they have. Okay? You have your washer dryer room with your cat cable panels over there for your internet and all that stuff though. Okay. You have your bathroom. Toilet, and then your shower tub combo. Okay. You have our next bedroom. Pretty decent size. I like the windows, how they have it cornered so it doesn't seem so claustrophobic, right? Gives the illusion of space that's a little bit more open. Okay, again, LED lighting as well. Pre-wiring throughout the house depending on where you go. And then you have your bedroom, right? Okay. So again, if you are on the market looking to buy here in the Las Vegas area or here in Henderson, give me a call, text, and or email this home buying quest. So I'd be happy to gain your trust and help you look for the home that may be a good fit for you. And it doesn't have to be a new home. Sometimes a lot of people, they prefer a resale home, perhaps a home with no HOAs whatsoever. And a lot of the new homes, unfortunately, they have HOAs. For some people it works, for others not so much. But we can compare the two and see which one is a good fit for you. Anyways, I thank you for joining me on this channel. Peace to each and every one of you. Take care.